Passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
So before I start, I know that the animation is getting messed up. Like I know that I haven't animated the second hand right here. It's alright because the most important thing is the hair and the flower. I delete everything and start from zero. And left only the animation because I'm just gonna start animating from zero. Like anyway, here's the animation. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to do some shadows. It's from admin drop shadow, add set matte white, and CC composite. Left the setment and go to the CC composite. Press here on RGB only. Disable it and set the composite original on multiply. And go to shadow setting and set the distance on 22 or something like 30. 22 is alright. Set softness on 7 or 13. And now I'm gonna add
Italian man who went to Malta.
a beach clip like
She say you better know piece of the plate, you son of a bitch. I don't even know the lady and she calling me a son of a bitch. Later, I go to eat at that bigger restaurant. The waiter brings me a spoon and a knife.
go to YouTube. Yeah, like this one. Just copy the link and download it from any website of downloading videos from YouTube or something. So I add the clip, but I have a sunset time, so I'm not gonna leave the clip like
اسكت يا
in the morning.
حبيت اسكت يجيك ورا يجيك
But
ترب.
I need the clip to be looks like that this a sunset time. So I'm gonna do some color correction by the Colorista plugin and make it looks like that it's yeah, a sunset
اهدر
time.
اهدر انا سمعوك فيك هذا.
قلت لك يا رفيق تما الحاجة اللي يقدروا هذو سرائر تما ما يقدروا لا والو. يجوا الحود ما هي ودي قال لك الحود شو الحود رفيق. ودي اللي يدخلوا نقولوا عليه ما كان لا حود ولا محزنة. يعني زاجيري يا رفيق. حاجة مدخل احنا في الموت احنا خافوا من ربي. ما نقروش احنا ما نقروش يا رفيق احنا ما نقروش. حنايا دوكا رجال. حنايا يا رفيق احنا مكاش اللي يقدرنا في الموند يا رفيق. حنا يا رفيق نطيرو بلاش هذوك يا رفيق. حنا نطيرو حنا يا رفيق. حنا يا رفيق حنا نشغل حاجة واحدة أخرى يا رفيق.
So I finished the color correction and I guess it looks fine right now. And that's the set. Wait. And there's the settings if you need to copy it and do whatever you want. Wait. I guess it looks perfect like now. Anyway. So the next step is to do some layers. And to do some layers, add some solid. Black solid. Set the solid on add and add some optics flares. Plugin of course. Wait. Optical flares. And set the optical flares here, I guess. That's between the sky and the beach, you know. Anyway, go to the options and just to change the flares to look like the way we want it. Let's delete everything. So I'm gonna change the brightness settings and scale. Put it right like this, and change the brightness and scale. Like add some like 10 keyframes or 8 keyframes. So you can add S-glow noise. I use these effects like in the most of my compositions or animations. Just go to the white Y and set it on 0, and go to X and set it on 2 or 2.5. Yeah, I guess this way is good. And go to the Y red because it's a sunset clip, so I'm gonna make the glow with orange or a temperature of orange way. See, so, and for the noise, it's your choice. You can add noise or you can't add noise on the glow. So for me, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna delete the noise and only use the glow shit. So go to brightness and set it on 0.8. So I'm gonna add some curves. Noise effect, and set the noise on 15 or 22. I guess 15 is okay. I don't know how to explain, but I wanna make the clip looks like that someone is filming that shit. So I'm gonna add another adjustment layer, and adding in this adjustment layer is shake. So set amplitude to 0.4 and go to X shake, current frequency on 0.7 and like 55, and the Y on 35, frequency on 0.5, and Z set on 55 and 1.2. So I'm gonna add some blur. You can use BCC lens blur, but for me, I only use fast blur. It gives a nice it gives a nice resolution anyway. Set this to 18 to set a keyframe, and 0, 11, 0. And yeah, of course, the most important thing that you add a color grading. The color grading gives like 14% of the results. I guess it looks fine. You can add some fine stuff like light legs or some, I don't know. But hey, just see these parts with the hair and the flower and the hands. Bruh, it looks perfect. I mean,